The Apple iPhone 13 series is expected to release in September this year. In the latest leaks, model numbers for the upcoming iPhones have been spotted via the Eurasian Economic Commission. According to French website which first spotted there, the list also suggested that all these phones are running on iOS 14. Since the model numbers are just numbers, they do not indicate what iPhone 30 model they represent. Here's a look at what we know so far about the iPhone 13 series. iPhone 13 internal specs. Apple is expected to refresh its entire iPhone 12 series, including the iPhone 12 mini. The new phones are expected to sport a new 5nm A15 chip along with a smaller redesigned notch. A report claims Apple has managed to reduce the dimension of the Face ID chip by 40%. This indicates that the Face ID system would be smaller than the one used in the existing iPhone 12 lineup, hence allowing for a smaller notch. So far, Apple has stuck with the big notch, and unless it can pack all the sensor for Face ID into a smaller space, the notch size is unlikely to change. The Pro models in the iPhone 13 series could also come with 120Hz LTPO OLED panels, which will be able to intelligently switch from lower to higher refresh rates when the content supports it to save battery. The regular models are expected to stick to 60Hz panels. Samsung and LG have reportedly begun mass production OLED panels for the upcoming Apple iPhone 13 series. Samsung will be producing LTPO OLED display for the iPhone 13 Pro models, which the iPhone 13 and 13 mini OLED display are likely to be supplied by LG. The iPhone 13 series phones are also expected to sort new ultra-wide angle camera sensors in the rear setups. The new lenses could be f1.8 opticals, and the Pro models are also rumored to see sensor shift stabilization. The sensor shift stabilization is an OIS optical image stabilization implementation that stabilizes the camera sensor instead of the lens. This offers better stabilization and hence overall better pictures. Apple implements the features on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, this time around, the entire new series is expected to come with this technology. Larger batteries. Leaks are also pointed towards larger battery on the entire iPhone 13 series. The iPhone 13 mini, the smallest phone of this lot, will now features a big battery instead of a smaller one that was found on its producer. Similarly, the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro will features a big battery instead of smaller one. These notifications are about Apple iPhone 13 roundup, new chip, new bigger batteries, smaller notch, and many more.